start the session. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C.
I think performing arts is the best vehicle to help young people develop into conscious adults who, like they lead their lives with empathy and resilience.
Going down the corridor.
Let's pretend that our dynamic here is mezzo forte.
It's about teamwork and hard work and being in the present moment. The vulnerable life stories and genuine connections that I make with young people inspire them to uncover the gifts within their most challenging experiences.
She's more than just a teacher, she's more like a friend.
She's the kind of teacher you hug.
You are creative!
I'm creative.
You are a musician!
I'm a musician.
You can do this!
I can do this.
And they really were like a foot taller in their self-esteem.
Can we do it one more time with lots of confidence so that everybody in the room can hear that you know what you're doing?
With confidence, ready, go!
Tee-tee-ta, tee-tee-ta.
It's been an amazing experience watching them grow from week to week and using it to become better as musicians and as people.
As mentors, we have this great responsibility to help shape these students' lives.
My commitment is so much better.
And I've learned how to be more outgoing and creative.
I was very insecure.
I didn't really believe in myself. She's really going to take you out of that comfort zone.
Push those boundaries out and tried to make me realize that there wasn't really a box there to begin with.
She'll compare drums to life.
Imagine a soccer team with only goalkeepers. We have to have different players in all the different positions in order to make a real game. Band is the same way. You've earned this.
She drives the students with kindness, but also with dedication.
She would not take being mediocre or anything, which helped me so much.
She works with us, but she lets us have fun too.
She makes you change in ways you wouldn't ever expect it.
I will shine!
I will shine!
I can do this. I can do this. I can do this.
I can actually do this.
She will change you for the better.
Prepare to work hard and become great.
You are creative.